Good morning, students. We will continue our chapter Glimpses of India. Marriage gifts are meaningless without the sweet bread known as ball. Just as a party or a feast loses its charm without bread. So, marriage gifts in Goa are meaningless without the sweet bread or ball. Not enough can be said to show how important a baker can be for a village. Any party or feast is incomplete without bread. The baker is very important for the village. The lady of the house must prepare sandwiches on the occasion of her daughter's engagement. The lady of the house must prepare sandwiches. On the occasion of her daughter's engagement, the lady of the house must prepare sandwiches. Cakes and bouillons are a must for Christmas as well as other festivals. Cakes and bouillons are must for Christmas and other festivals. Thus, the presence of the baker's furnace in the village is absolutely essential. Thus, the presence of the baker's furnace in the village is absolutely essential. The baker or bread seller of those days had a peculiar dress known as the kabai. It was a single piece long frock reaching down to the knees. So, in good old days, the baker or bread seller had peculiar dress. It was a single piece frock reaching down to the knees. In our childhood, we saw bakers wearing a shirt and trousers which were shorter than full length ones and longer than half pants. Even today, anyone who wears a half pant which reaches just below the knees invites the comment that he is dressed like a pedlar. So, in his childhood, he saw bakers wearing a shirt and trousers shorter than full length. Then he is said to be dressed like a pedlar. The baker usually collected his bills at the end of the month. Monthly accounts used to be recorded on some wall in pencil. The pedlar usually collected his bills at the end of the month, and he did not have a notebook to record his monthly accounts. So, monthly accounts used to be recorded on some wall in pencil. Baking was indeed a profitable profession in the old days. It was a profitable profession in the old days. The baker and his family never starved. He, his family and his servants always looked happy and prosperous. Their plump physique was an open testimony to this. Even today, any person with a jackfruit like physical appearance is easily compared to a baker. So, baking was quite a profitable profession in Goa in the old days. He and his family always looked happy and prosperous. Their plump physique was an open testimony of their happiness and prosperity. However, as the time changed, the tradition has not died completely yet. These bakers, known as pedlars, exist in Goa even today. So, oral comprehension check, 5 questions are given. So, you will do these questions in your notebook.